So I came on this 3-day course initially because I was finding in my business a couple of things. One is that I wasn't getting enough leads into the business. In the past, I've been extremely successful getting leads through referrals, both online and through my local business clubs. I found that lately that stopped working and I wasn't getting enough leads, I wasn't getting enough referrals, so I needed more leads into my business. The other reason was that I'd had some really challenging personal circumstances over the previous 2 to 3 years, and I knew I wanted to live my life differently as well as run my business differently. And the thing I need to do is that if I was off sick or I had other things I needed to do, my business couldn't run without me. And that's exactly what happened. It didn't run without me. So as well as needing to do it differently, I needed to get help with running it. So I needed to automate the business or to get other people into the business so that I could go out and deliver what I'm really, really good at and still have the business running in the background. And also I wanted to make some money from all of the content and collateral I've got while I slept. So I've learned several specific things over these 3 days. It has been an absolutely amazing 3 days. I feel totally different today on the 3rd day than I did even on the 1st day. So firstly, I've actually learned how to do a landing page. So I've actually learned how to and implemented a lead funnel that will allow me to capture traffic and capture the customer's details so that I'm actually building my list of qualified leads who will want to do business with me. So that's one of the main things I've learned. Another thing that has come out of the 3 days, it's allowed me to really start to clarify what my offering is and how I really help and serve people. On the train in this morning, I actually sat and put together my 7-step program, and I have now got that very clear in my mind, and I know that's the way forward. And I feel really confident and incredibly positive about it. So if someone was considering coming on this course, I would say don't hesitate. Historically, I've been the sort of person that's always believed I could do it myself. And I work incredibly hard and I've achieved an awful lot in my business. But however, recent years and the changing market has shown me that that's just not the way forward anymore. You've got to do something different, even if you are incredibly successful. And even if you're starting up, it's the same. You need help, and you need help on an ongoing basis, and you need detailed help. James is amazing. He will help you with every single step of the journey. His response is so quick. He's got so much experience. I find him absolutely inspirational.